Hi friends, I just received my new hearing amplifier accessories. They are Hionec clear hearing amplifier. Let me show them to you and let's test them. They come, well, nicely packed. This is the case and here are the actual accessories, okay? This is the right ear and the left ear, okay? Okay, you get all the manuals and warranty and all the information that you need. Okay, instructions. You get the cable to charge it. You charge the case through a USB-C port and the case will charge the actual accessories, okay? You get a nice brush to clean them, of course. All the small cleaning accessories that you need, and you get these extra ear tips so you can use whichever best fits your ear size and you feel more comfortable, okay? We are going to get rid of these battery protection tapes, okay? And that's it. You get a reading of the actual battery left in the case and the charging of the left and the right accessories, okay? So let's test it. Also, you can change the volume with your finger here in this small dial, so you can do it even when they are in your ear, so it's really easy. Let me try them, okay? Perfect. Okay, I am hearing myself through the accessories. They hear really, really clear. As you can see, they are not that large. They look nice. And I am going to level down them. Let me see. No, okay. Okay, okay. Great. Well, I can hear great. Okay, I hear a crisp sound. Of course, when I am talking, as this is the first time I'm using this kind of accessories, I hear myself like in a speaker with my own voice. So that's kind of funny. I suppose that people that really need these accessories will feel that very comfortable and they will know that they are speaking in a right loud level. Sometimes people that can't hear, like my father, will speak louder because they think you don't hear them, because they don't hear themselves. So I'm going to test this with my father tomorrow. Let's see how it goes. Thank you.